Welcome to the farm, where every animal has a special sound.
Ever wondered what cows or pigs really say? Can you guess them all? Let's see and have fun together.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's our rooster. Listen close, the cow says. Moo! That's a happy moo on the farm.
So many moose together. Here come the pigs, Garen. Oink, oink! Oink! Listen to that funny snort. Piglets love to play all day. Cluck, 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 clump. Chickens chatting away.
That cluck means hello.
Even the babies cluck along.
The sheep says bah.
To bounce.
That's a sheep choir.
The horse says neigh-pug, so strong.
Such gentle eyes.
And free. The goat says bleat. How funny.
Sure can jump. A bleating duet. Ready to play? Guess the animal sound. Who could that be?
Correctly guessed. It's cow. You're a farm sound expert. See you next time.